We're in summer vacation at my grandma's house, and we went to some, farm where they pick out fresh vegetables, and, we buy them. We bought, like, it comes like this, and you take it off these vines. It's no, it's not spinach. So, after doing this, we're gonna put all of these things in a bowl with water, so we could wash them. Then we're gonna put them in a pot. We're gonna cook some rice, put some chicken.
Yeah, because your take the leaves off.
Then eat them. And this will be with the soup. So now we're still picking the leaves off plants called Mulukhiyah, which you already know. And we're putting them in a bowl. And also, you don't do it like this. You have to pick them one at a time.
Yeah, because you can't get these on them. These tiny ones, not just big ones. The tiny ones too over there.
Yeah, you should also get the tiny one. It should look like this. And when we were in America, we just bought them when they were picked. We didn't buy them like this, which was kind of easier work. So we still have a whole lot to do. If you get one of these stick things off of this, just don't put it in with the leaves. Just throw it out. Okay?
Wow! Even bigger!
Bigger.
Hey! Look at me! Look at me!
برافو يا ابطال، كيف ساعدوا التيتا، برافو. دور مين حتطلع صحفية؟ يلا تعال.
So for now, my grandma's washing the Mulukhiyah. So it will be all clean.
نحطها أول بالمصفاية عشان إذا ما نحطهاش في المصفاية تعمل مخاط، لازم تكون ناشفة.
So my grandma just said it has to be dry. You put water on and then it has to be dry. So all the water has to go down.
يلا فوق هنا. تعالي يا لولي يلا. قومي ها.
Okay, so now we put garlic into the pot, and we're cooking it, and we have the original meal. We already washed it, and we put garlic, and she's cutting little pieces of it and putting them into the pot, and it's sort of just stuck in we're actually just doing that to make it smaller and make a bigger amount because a lot of people are coming.
Now استوى بنحط ملح.
Okay, now we're gonna put salt. Okay.
يلا. هدول ملوخيات عالميات.
Well, this is already wet now. And we're just... Okay, so now it's wet and my grandma's cutting chicken.
يا باشا يا اخوي. هاي الدجاج بننضفه عاديا.
So she's gonna clean it.
نقيم هدول.
And she's gonna take out those parts because she said they're not supposed to be there.
هدول منظفات من قبل، هدول لسه جايبين خارج.
So those are cleaned. And then she's just gonna clean this and those. Okay, so we put olive oil and salt, and now we're washing them. These are clean. Those are not clean. So we're gonna here. This is how it looks for now. And we're just gonna add in some rice and the chicken. And then we're gonna be done with this. Actually, we just have to get them cooked, and then we'll be done. Yes. And we're putting in some more oil. And also, once you're doing this, be careful of the oil. Okay.
دجاج نعمله هيك تيحمر.
So we cooked the chicken, and well, we really did that in the oil. And until it like gets redder, we put them in the pot, and then we cook them. Okay, so now we're...
تساوي خلصت ستي قلي.
Now we're putting hot water
علي صوتك.
in the...
إسا من علي شايف كيف أحمر قول لي look أو she's
Look how it... Now we're boiling the chicken.
اوكي هسه بنغطي حطينا مي قول وملح.
Okay, so now we put the hot water and salt. So we put, well, like the soup water, whatever you want to call it, from the chicken with the mulukhiyah. So we added salt, and then you add salt, then you're gonna have to have it cook for 30 minutes, about 30 minutes. So we have some oil here. Corn oil. Corn oil. Okay, I'll take the filming. I keep stirring so it gets red. Okay,
زي نعمة كنا تحمر شايف كيف حمرت بس لا هي يعني مش نحرقها لونها حلو هيك عشقار. شايف؟
This is, so now we're putting rice.
Now we put it the water of the
Chicken. The water that came with the chicken. And now we're pouring it in here. It looks like... And now this is how it looks like.
صندوق ايش؟
Now we're putting it here again.
There's the cap.
And now we close.
Okay, so this is the rice and the mulukhiyah when it's all done, plus the chicken. So this is the stuff on the table. This is how we put it. Okay, Joseph, start eating, please.
Me?
Whoever wants to sit there.
how we are squeezing the lemon.
Everybody knows how to squeeze lemon. And a bowl of chicken. Okay, so you put this with the mulukhiyah with the rice, then you add some lemon, then you mix them together, and then you could eat it. I'm filming the plate.
So mix it up, apparently, with the rice.
هذا وردوش.
Then you add some lemon, then you put it in your mouth, and
Now,
This is the lemon. Yeah.
I'm gonna skip it.
okay, see you guys next time, bye.